Meaning of faintness.
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 Faintness. Faintness refers to feeling lightheaded, weak, or like you might pass out. It is often accompanied by symptoms such as dizziness, blurred vision, and nausea. Fainting occurs when the brain temporarily doesn't receive enough blood flow, causing a loss of consciousness. Faintness can have many causes, including dehydration, low blood sugar, heart problems, and anxiety. In some cases, it may be a warning sign of a more serious condition, and medical attention should be sought immediately if faintness is severe or persistent.